Welcome to this instructional video on how to draw a polyline in AutoCAD. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. First, open AutoCAD and either create a new drawing or open an existing one. Once you have your drawing set up, go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Draw panel, you'll find various drawing tools. Click on the Polyline icon or type PL in the command line and press Enter to access the Polyline command. Now, let's start drawing the polyline. Specify the starting point by clicking anywhere in the drawing area or type the coordinates in the command line. For instance, let's start at coordinates 0, 0. You can type 0, 0 in the command line. Next, move your cursor to the desired position and click again to create the first straight segment of the polyline. Continue adding more segments by clicking at different locations. To close the polyline and create the final segment, either click on the starting point or type C in the command line and press Enter. Congratulations! You have successfully drawn a polyline in AutoCAD. Feel free to further explore AutoCAD's editing tools to modify or reshape your polyline as needed. I hope this tutorial has equipped you with the knowledge to draw polylines in AutoCAD. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to ask. Thank you for watching. Remember to practice drawing polylines in AutoCAD to enhance your drafting skills. Stay tuned for more tutorials and have a great day.